In this video, we will learn how to use find and replace in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here fixed asset data. So I'm going to use the replace option. So here you see in this data I have a slash. So I'm going to remove this slash by using the replace option. Just select the full data, press the Ctrl A and Ctrl F to find and replace. I click on the replace and enter here slash and replace with the blank. So I want to remove this slash from this data. Just click on the replace all option. All done. We made 41 replacement. Click on OK and close this dialog box. Here you see the all slash is removed. So this is the first way I show you how to replace the slash. So here I am showing you different way how to replace data. In this data have a slash. I'm going to remove the data before the slash. I want to remove this. Okay, I just highlight it. So this data I'm going to remove. So let's see how it's done. First select the full data, Ctrl A, then use the Ctrl F, then go to the replace. Then use the asterisk sign, multiply sign, then use the slash. Okay. Before slash, I want to remove data. Therefore, I used asterisk sign before slash. Then replace with blank. Okay. Then click on the replace. That's it. All done. Click on OK. Then close it. Here you see before slash all data removed. Now I use the Ctrl Z and now I am remove the after slash data. Okay. Now I am showing you after slash data how to remove. So after slash, this first slash I want to remove all data from after slash. So I'm using the same process, Ctrl A to select the data, Ctrl F to find and replace. Go to the replace and use the first slash and then use the asterisk sign. Okay. So and replace with blank. Okay. And then click on the replace all. That's it. Here you see after slash data is removed. Okay. You can replace with other data also. I set in replace all in blank, therefore is the remove. Replace with the blank. Okay. Again I use the Ctrl Z. Now here I'm showing you second slash data I'm going to remove. I just highlighted those I want to remove. So now here I'm going to replace with the blank the after slash second slash data. So I'm going to replace with the blank the asset description. Okay. Same process, Ctrl A, Ctrl F, go to the replace. And here I'm using the first slash, then use the asterisk. I want to remove the after slash data, therefore after slash use the asterisk. Then after slash, it means it's consider the first slash. Then I don't want to remove this number. Okay. So how many digit this number have? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digit number is have. So use the question mark sign to don't want to remove this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then click on the replace. That's it. This number is not removed. So this is a way you can use the replaced with the blank, replaced with the data. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.